Hi, today we will explore the topic of personalization in Power BI. What is customization? It allows the end user to change the chart type. For example, they can switch from a pie chart to a bar chart and adjust the measures used in visualizations.
Now, let's move on to customizing visualizations. There are two ways to do this. In Power BI Service, in the report settings, we can enable or disable the visualization customization option. Or in Power BI Desktop, go to Options and Settings, then Options, and finally Report Settings to enable visualization customization. Once this option is enabled, there's no need to reset or refresh the report. The customization icon will automatically appear on all visualizations. The user can access customization via the Format tab. This can be applied at the page level for a single visualization, or by selecting Apply to all pages for global changes. The Reset to Default button allows reverting changes, and customization can be disabled using the On-Off toggle. If no specific visualization is selected, customization will be disabled on all pages. At this point, I will enable customization for only one visualization. Changes will be visible in Power BI Service. We publish the report and check if everything works correctly. We see a new button on the selected visualization, while the others remain unchanged, exactly as intended. Now, let's test the customization. We change the chart type to a line chart, add the year to the x-axis. Everything works as expected. However, if a user adds fields that are not related, the chart may display only a single value. What can we do in this case? We have two options. Train users on the data model, which is time-consuming and impractical, or use perspectives to restrict access to specific data. And in the next episode, we'll teach you how to create perspectives.
Try out these features and let us know. Does personalization make your Power BI reports more effective?